Welcome to Amari Educates, where mathematics is made easy. In this video, we're going to discuss solving rational equations. But before that, I remind you to please subscribe and share this video. Okay? Let's get started with our first example. Example number 1. Find the value of x, where 1 over x, or 1 over 6, is equal to 3 all over 2x. The method that we're going to use here is called cross multiplication. What do I mean by that? We're just going to cross the denominator of one side to the numerator on the other side. Take note that when we do the cross multiplication, just make sure that each side are already in a rational form. Okay? So, what will happen? Let us continue. That is, 2x cross to that one, multiplied to 1, will give us 2x. 6 cross to 3 will give us 18. So, this is now our new equation. So, the next step is to solve for x on this one by dividing them by 2. So, we have here 2x divided by 2 and 18 divided by 2. So we just cancel here the 2 and then we divide 18 by 2. So we have x is equal to 9. It's easy, right? Let's continue with our next example. Solve for x, given 1 over 3 plus 4 over x is equal to 3 over 7. At this point, it is not advised to do the cross multiplication. So what we're going to do is to first focus on this one by making it a single rational expression. So what we're going to use is to find the LCD of this expression. So our LCD is 3x. If you forgot how to get the LCD, I'll link down the videos below to recall, for your recall. Okay? Now, since our LCD is 3x, what we're going to do is just to divide 3x by these denominators. So let us see what will happen. So let us see. 3x divided by 3, the answer is x. And then you multiply the answer to the numerator, that is still x. Plus 3x divided by x is 3. Multiply it to 4, it becomes 12 all over our LCD is equal to 3 over 7. Now, since both sides are in single rational expression or in rational, let us now use the cross multiplication. There you go. So the new equation will look like this. So 7 multiplied to x plus 12, so it looks like that, is equal to 3x multiplied by 3. The next thing that we have to do is to just distribute the 7 here and multiply the 3 here. So we have 7 times x is 7x plus 7 times 12 is 84 is equal to 3 times 3. 3x is equal to 9x. We're going to transfer the 84 here and the 9x here so that all similar terms will be on one side and the other similar terms will be on the other side. So this will become 7x minus 9x. Remember, when we transfer or transpose, we change the sign. The same thing with the 84. From positive, it becomes negative. So simplifying this, we have 7x minus 9x give us to negative 2x is equal to negative 84. Divide both terms or both sides by negative 2 will give us the value of x, that is 42. Okay? Let's move to our third example. Solve for x given that 2 all over x minus 2 plus 1 all over x squared minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 1 all over x minus 2. It looks complicated, right? But let's find a way to make it easy to solve. Well, the technique is that we're going to find first the LCD of the denominators. Okay? Check this one. Is it factorable? No. This is already in prime. This one can be factored. And this one cannot be factored also. So, the factor of this will be a quantity of x minus 2 times the quantity of x minus 2. Now, since we have these denominators here, we can now find the LCD. Again, if you forgot how to find the LCD, check the video link below, okay? So our LCD will be x minus 2 times the quantity of x minus 2. What are we going to do with the LCD? What we're going to do is to multiply it to the original equation. Now, if we're going to multiply it, it will become there are too many things that you have to do. So the technique that we're going to use is to check the denominators with this. What do I mean by that? Let us see. The number of the numerator is 2. We just copy it and then check this out. This denominator is only x minus 1, while here we have x minus 2, and this one is x minus 2 and x minus 2. What we're going to do is just to remove it. Okay? So the remaining one will be only x minus 2. That's the one we're just going to multiply to 2. And for this one, this is the factored form of this. So we'll still have the plus 1. Nothing to multiply. And the last one, check it again. The denominator is x minus 2. And we have 2x minus 2. So we still have one more x minus 2 to multiply to 1. So this is now our new equation. Let us simplify it. Okay? So by distributing this 2 here and the 1 there. So the new equation will be 2x minus 4 plus 1 is equal to x minus 2. Put together on like terms on one side and those another like terms on the other side. So it will become 2x, transposing the x here, become minus x, is equal to negative 2, transposing the negative 4, become plus 4, and transposing the positive 1 become minus 1. So 2x minus x will give us x, and for this one will give us 1. Okay? So it's easy, right? Now, let us see if you understood the lesson. In case you did not get some, just replay the video. Okay, let's start with our first question or problem. Okay, find the value of x given 2 all over 3x is equal to 1 over 9. Okay, time is up. The answer is x is equal to 6. Let's have our second question. Solve for x given 3 over 5 plus 1 over x is equal to 1 over 5. If you need more time, you may pause the video. Time is up. The answer is x is equal to 5 over 2. Let's have one more question. Solve for x given 1 all over x plus 1 minus 2 all over x squared plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 3 all over x plus 2. Time is up. The answer is x is equal to 1/2. Okay, thank you once again for watching. Please subscribe and share this video. Remember, it is cool being wise.